I got a message from YouTube this morning, and YouTube sent this message to me as at 12:30 a.m. when I was still sleeping. And it is in my culture for me to check my mail immediately after my morning devotion. So today was not an exemption. After my morning devotion, I headed straight to my YouTube studio to check my best performing videos, to check which of my videos are not doing well, and to check if I have any message from YouTube. Now, after checking my studio, I headed straight to my mail. Lo and behold, I saw YouTube's message lying there staring at me. And at this point, I am forced to ask, is there an academy somewhere where some content creators on YouTube tend to enroll? Because they enrolled, they have graduated. That is why they are doing better than some persons on this platform. Please, I want to know. If you know any, introduce me, because I would love to enroll. Now, are there some persons that have YouTubing as a special skill? I still want to know. Now guys, each time I get message from YouTube, my mind is always skipping. I can't really explain. Maybe it's because of my previous experiences, because all through my years on YouTube, I have never for one day gotten any good message, like message that will make me happy from YouTube. Now, let me tell you something. I woke up this morning, I checked my studio, I headed straight to my mail. I saw this message from YouTube. Why my mind skipped is because of the previous messages I've been getting. Now, let me tell you the kind of messages I have been getting from YouTube so that you don't judge me. The first message I've ever gotten from YouTube was a copyright strike. Now, on my other channel, I told you guys that I got 2 copyright strikes within the span of 2 months. And those 2 copyright strikes stayed on my channel for a period of 90 days, which is 3 months. Now, the copyright strike was from a cooking video I got from someone, while the other one was from Big Brother Niger. Now, after that, I got a warning. I got a warning for misinformation. That was the second message that YouTube sent to me. Now, the third message that YouTube sent to me was about my channel deletion. YouTube telling me that my channel has gone against their community guidelines, hence they are deleting my channel of over 5,000 subscribers. I told you guys what happened, how some persons reached out to me for collaboration, SEO, thumbnail, title, optimization, and all of that. I ended up clicking on a link, they had access, and that was the end of that channel because they were uploading adult content. Now, the fourth message I got from YouTube was rejection when I applied to join YPP with my entertainment channel. Now, I am taking out time to explain all of this to you so that you understand the place that I am coming from. Now, when I applied to join YPP, YouTube told me that I can't because I have issues of harmful content and controversial content. I did not panic. The fifth message I got from YouTube was another rejection. YouTube telling me that I cannot be accepted into YPP because of repetitive content and reused content. Now, another message from YouTube. You know why I am bothered? I am bothered because YouTube did not send this message to my other email, like the email I use in creating my main account. YouTube sent this message to this particular email I use in creating this channel you're watching me from. This is why I am worried. Now, I am going to read this message to you so that you can hear it for your own self and also learn from it. Because everything we go through in life, everything we go through as far as YouTube is concerned, is a lesson to other persons. I hope you know this. So this is what YouTube said to me. YouTube said, "Hi, Grow with Mimi. Now that you are subscribed to the latest creator news and updates, you will never miss out. We will share personalized tips and ideas, product announcements, and news from your community to help you unlock your potential and take your channel to the next level. Guys, I am astonished. I am very, very astonished. This is the first time of me getting this kind of message from YouTube. To be sincere with you, I am motivated. I think this is all I need for me to keep creating content. I think this is all I need for me to keep saying YouTube is the best paying platform. I think this is all I need for me to motivate you never to give up, because I know that the sky is our starting point. I know that most persons will be like, they've been getting this kind of messages, I did not subscribe to it with my other channels, probably because I did not subscribe. But this is the first time. Like, I just went to my YouTube studio, I saw YouTube. First of all, I had to breathe. I had to breathe in and breathe out, because I know how their message is always. I was like, what will YouTube tell me this time around? This is a new channel I created a few months ago, and I just started posting content. Which of my content is against your community guidelines? YouTube. So I kept the message there, staring at it for some seconds. Later on, I summoned the courage. I picked up my phone. I opened it. When I opened it, I saw this. I was like, wow, YouTube, you do this one. Oh, thank you so much, YouTube. I think I love this message. I really, really do love this message. So all I want you to do for me, I have seen your message and I appreciate it. Keep pushing my content. Keep pushing my content, push my content to the right audience, please, so that they can watch, they can subscribe, I can get the watch time, I can monetize this particular channel. Guys, let me know if you got a similar message from YouTube. Let me know what you think about this message. Let me know what you were having in mind when I started talking in this video. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys on my next video, and bye for now. Bye.